Hello, wonderful people. My name is Joe Vika, and I'm broadcasting for Joe Vika TV. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please use this opportunity to do that. I know many of my followers and viewers will be sleeping by now because I know I have the barrage of my followers from all the way from Africa. And this time around, many people in Africa will be sleeping. Welcome on board. Welcome on board. Welcome on board. If you join me, help me to double tap the screen on TikTok, and let's take the ball rolling. I have this all important topic to treat. Among other things I'm going to be discussing, Wike said he will continue to be destroying the business of Igbos and nothing will anything do about it. You guys know that a couple of months ago, or 1 month or thereabout, he destroyed the business of a multi-billion naira business of an Igbo man in Abuja. And one of the statements, he said, how can Igbo man come and take all these places? So some group of people, lawyers, have frowned at that statement. Say, why will he make that utterance? He should apologize by saying, why will he say Igbo? How will Igbo be having this kind of property? So in response to what those people said, he now came up with this statement that he continue to destroy the thing. Nobody will do anything. So I want to discuss that in full detail. Also chipping my voice to what is happening about Yaya Bello. Give one or two advice, and we say it bye-bye for the day. As I always do, I will take a breather. When I come back, I'll begin to unleash the bag out of the cart. If you don't get information, you are already deformed. But meanwhile, before you take a break, remember to do this. Yes, I know things fall apart very, very well. So what are you going to talk about? Tell me about things fall apart. My friend say he's reading things fall apart. So what do you want to say about it? Things are really falling apart, my brother. By this month to make this utterance. But let me tell you, this video that I'm going to make we are going to remind us on some things. And remind him Wike some things as well. If you don't get information, you are already deformed. Let me take a break.
If you no get information, you are already deformed. Why not go to your YouTube? Joe Vika TV. You want time for Facebook? Joe Vika TV. Instagram and Twitter? Joe Vika TV. Abi you want time for TikTok? Joe Vika TV. Abi na WhatsApp you want time? Joe Vika TV. Joe Vika TV. Poised to reach you with the truth.
Okay, we are poised to reach you with the truth. Welcome back. So my name is Joe Vika. As I said earlier, I've not changed my name. Just call me Joe Vika or Father Joe Vika. You are good to go. I'm the founder of Igbo Ruler Development Union, United States. Igbo Ruler Development Union, Europe. Because by the grace of God, I want to use this opportunity to make this announcement. Igbo Ruler is spreading like a wildfire. We now have Igbo Ruler in America here, fully registered as non-profit making organization. Our job is very simple: to sensitize our people, to think home, to mobilize, to engage in charity organization, to help the needy. We sponsor people. We do this. We have so many avenues to do all these things, and that is what we are called to do by the grace of God. So we are registering it in different parts of the world. The enable us come together to achieve our set goal. In doing that, we also have a business platform where we want to invest for the future. One of the business platforms we have is a group called IDI. IDI stands for Igbo Development Initiative. These are the group of professors, professionals, bankers, and so many all people, all walks of life living in diaspora abroad. They have come together to put up a structure. We are even given 1 billion share by the United States of American government. If that share, you can invest in that particular asset, whether as Igbo or non-Igbo. You buy the share you start by subscribing to $1,000. You can do as much as, and the money is your own. Any day you decide that you don't want to do it again, you can take your money. Go to their website, www.idi/global.org, or you call this number +1-202-853-440. Okay. TikTok don't like us to mention number. Let me not mention it again. Sorry, TikTok, no verse. But you can see it on the screen. If you're watching me on YouTube and Facebook, and if you're watching on Facebook, Igbo Ruler, you could please follow us there. You are watching on Vika's channel, follow us there. Then if you're watching on YouTube, please do well to follow us there. Let's discuss the subject matter. I will keep destroying your investment and nothing will happen. No bagger. As I said earlier, this couple of months, that was last month, Wike destroyed the estate belonging to an Igbo man. He said, how can an Igbo man come to have this kind of business in Abuja, in one of the strategic locations in Abuja? I think Asokoro, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not too sure of the location. So he brought it down. The news went everywhere. Unfortunately to the man, he was telling, please, I need the president to come and intervene. And I was laughing. How can you be calling somebody that gave the boss to somebody who is manipulating you, who is attacking you, calling his boss to come and intervene? How will he intervene? The story also has it that despite the court order restraining Wike from demolition that property, he still went ahead. And the demolition notice was not given. Thank you for the likes. Please, I need the more like. Keep on liking the video. Thank you so much. I keep on liking. Let's take the likes to at least 5,000. So he quickly said that there's nothing like court order, blah blah blah. So when some group of our brothers, Igbos in Anambra, precise another region, they wrote him and told him he should apologize to the Igbos for making that ultra derogatory statement, saying how can an Igbo man come and take this kind of place? And on hearing such, the apology he rendered was to come and tell them he will keep destroying the properties of Igbo again and again, and nothing will anybody do about it. Well, for me, I will not blame him. Why I'm not going to blame him is because we, the Igbos, are allowing such impunity to continue. I will not also blame so much our people, because he who fights and runs away will always live to fight again. I want to take a retrospective approach, analytical view of Wike's antecedents, since I know him. Frankly speaking, with the sincerity of my heart, Wike happened to be one of the politicians I love so much. When I'm in love, I don't love him as a person. I love what he do. I love what he does. I like him, the way he's vocal. I remember most of his statements he was making against Buhari administration. When this administration said they're going to continue where Buhari stopped. And I want to say, how I wish they continue where Buhari stopped. They didn't continue where Buhari stopped. They really increased the pen where Buhari could not penetrate. They increased the pen on people. And he started it by the first day he made the inauguration by demolition and removing first subsidy, which I am hearing that the first subsidy is back now. I've heard from a couple of news that the first subsidy is back, yet the problem continues. You find that not removing subsidy is the problem of Nigeria. Peter B, who was the one person conducting for the election, took time to analyze, took a view and said that the solution to Nigeria problem, one of the solutions is to first put themselves into productivity, not consumer. Nigerians consumes a lot. And that is why the dollar will keep increasing. That is why it pains my heart when Odumoje will be coming to talk rubbish. And most of us are laughing for him. Somebody say it's a joke, but there are some jokes that are so expensive. It's paining and hurting us. See, we ship our vehicle here. When our vehicle will get home, you settle somebody 3 million naira. Let me use you as okay. You said it, maybe buy Camry of 2010 for somebody here. You guys have an agreement, like one of them that happened. 5 million you're going to pay, or 4 million you will pay me. The person will thank you so much. The person will buy advance of 2 million or 2.5. I will pick up the car, put in the car, ship to Africa. By the time I gave this particular price, the clearance by then was 1.6, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6. Only for the vehicle arrived, you are telling me 2.5, 2.8, 2.6, 2.1. 1 million naira increase on what I've already said. And the worst thing the matter, as the vehicle stays there, within 2-4 days, they change the price. If you don't pay for it, as they told you the price, you're going to pay higher, if not double. This has been the scenario. So I was like thinking that most of this thing will come down in this administration, but it is on an increasing level. It has always gone high. So Peter Obi said something. We should go into productivity, not consumption, so that dollar will step down. Odumoje said that he commanded the dollar to come down. Now the dollar has gone up. Let him command it again. Or did he command it? Okay, you know, he said he got the power. And in the power he said he got is pandemic, catastrophe, cataclysm, trouble, havoc is what he has released. No wonder the dollar has gone high. What did we do for the budget to release the dollar to go high? Since he's the one controlling dollar. Yeah. We have competent people now. They are there messing up everywhere. Odumoje is telling us he brought dollar down. He will control the seat. If he can control it, so he's very comfortable. See what the way these people are governing Nigerians. He cannot remove him there. Because tell Odumoje to stop that rubbish show. I'm not comfortable. I'm no longer laughing about those rubbish he's doing. Because of dollar, you ship your car. Every day after you sold car to somebody, I'll be losing money every time. That's why I stopped car business. I don't advertise it anymore. Because I keep losing my money, millions of money. There was a year I lost 12 million naira in car business because of inflation. A particular truck that carries our vehicle to our point of loading or unloading, they charge us that of 170,000 for the trailer to carry you. But that year I paid 1.2 million. Something of 170,000. I am paying 1.2 million. But the same cost of vehicle people bought from me, the same amount they are paying. They refuse to increase. And somebody is joking with it. I brought dollar down. We should stop that rubbish. Tell the money to stop that nonsense. Enough of this play. The dollar is going up now. What's he going to tell us? So that is the person that is ruling Nigeria. And this our Igbo brother was calling. I was calling him to come and help, to come and intervene. How is this person who doesn't know when Nigeria is getting down every day, getting down the drain? So he cannot call him to come and come for a rescue. He doesn't have anything to offer. What did they do to bring dollar down? They pumped money, foreign reserve. They brought foreign reserve and put it in the system. And thought that's how they're going to do to settle this problem. I pity Nigerians. How can you just pump money? Now the money they have pumped into the system has gone down. The dollar started climbing again. If care is not taken, mark this video. Dollar is going to get to hit 2,000 naira. If care is not taken. But it's on increase. There's nothing like a control economy. Now they want to bring the dollar by the arresting people that were spraying money. Is it the money that even as much as it is wrong for you to spray money, it is abuse of naira? I agree with you. But is it why the naira is being devalued? The answer is no. Why is the dollar being devalued? People like Yaya Bello. I'm coming to Wike. It's my subject of discussion. His plans against Igbo. I'm coming to him. But before then, who are the people making devalued dollar? People who stay in Nigeria, they keep paying school fees in dollar. Even to some school in Nigeria, they pay in dollar. And outside, The Yaya Bello, who has been looting the state. I told you in one of my videos, some people have stayed in the Yaya Bello administration 7 complete years, no salary. I know somebody that is a witness. No salary. School teacher, so, but he's busy paying school fees in a foreign country so that the people that the teachers there will be earning because they are teaching his children. But the people that are teaching our own children in his own state, they wouldn't pay them to continue to teach our children. Have you seen that these people are devilish in nature? They are devil incarnate. Their heart is at the back. The worst thing, they are able to pay school fees to the tune of $760,000. I know if he got paid school fees to only one daughter. He paid the school fee from now to 2035. 2035 in the year 2035. That is what he paid with the state money, not his own personal money. And looted the one that is on record, 84 billion. Do you know after all these evidences, somebody called themselves Use. We are doing juju and was saying that Yaya Bello had is innocent. Yaya Bello had is innocent. They should follow court order. What is court order? But unfortunately, I'm hearing in the news now that the EFCC is in trouble because of arresting Yaya Bello for 14 court order. When I saw it, it's not surprising to me. That is Nigeria for you people. That is Nigeria. Because it's a country that anything can happen. You can go scot-free after whatever you commit, so long as you are connected. Yaya Bello, they arrested. Did you see him carrying that placard they put his name? The way they did to Bobrisky. No, they didn't put him. Placard. Fraud of this. They didn't put him there. To control Naira, they keep arresting people. Arrest Obi Kubana or Kubana priest. Arrested Bobrisky, prosecuted her or him. That is content that is confused. If you want to work on your Naira, what can you produce? If you want your Naira to have value, produce your material. Those things we are going to buy that will make the dollar. Because if you go to buy rice, they'll tell you foreign rice is rice. And let me tell us, for my family back home, they don't eat foreign rice. I spend a healthy amount of money. I just send them about 75,000 naira to buy local rice. That's what I buy because it's more nutritional. It doesn't have all the chemical used in preserving the foreign rice. So my family, we don't buy. I don't hear 4. If you hear 4, I say, do you want to sell rain? The first slap will land you. So we don't mention 4 rain. Don't even say 4 before you say rain. So it's only local rice. No matter the amount, no matter how you take, we order for it. I just send them something thousand to buy one. And that one is going to finish in the next 2-3 months. They're going to buy another one. I don't deal with your foreign rice. So if everybody can just stick to this foreign rice, local rice, we will determine the price and control the price. But because you can't buy, they'll tell you exchange rate. What can you produce? I'm using this to deliver a message. That is why we, the Igbo ruler, have come to tell us we need to reach home. Igbo ruler means let the Igbos go home. Let's have something to produce to sell to the world. So whether their dollar is rising or not, we must be making our money. We are gifted. It is our calling. It's our gift. So if you're an Igbo man, join hands. If you feel don't want to join in our own, Igbo ruler, look for any organization that is talking about investing at home. Don't tell me insecurity. Insecurity will come down. It's with time. We are coming. Don't tell me the government must not do. If it doesn't do it, no. Our faith, our life is not in the hand of the government. Yes, they have the power God has given to them, but we can still do what we can do. If I can build my house, decorate my house, look so nice, put my borehole in my personal house without the government, I can do it in a larger community, put borehole for the bigger community, for most of the places in Igbo land to have water supply. That is the angle I'm looking at it. Don't tell me until the Biafra come. I don't know if your Biafra is going to come. If you're going to come, fine. You're not going to come. It's not my business. Whether I come or not, we have to leave. Now, back to Wike that I started making this, why I'm giving this video. Why would he tell you that nothing will happen? Why would he say those? Because that's what they say, because no Igbo man will speak for us. No Igbo man will confront him. Remember what happened at Obiwo? In a sense, for me, I stand on the truth. You can hate me, you can love me. Thank you for your love. Hate me, I don't know if you exist. Yes, our brother made a mistake that brought about Wike to allow the military to go and they say close to 300 people. But that is not justifying whatever Wike did. What our brother did was a simple threat to reply his own threat. In as much as that it's uncalled for. If they love me, may love, but Wike had the guts and allow innocent souls to go down the drain, their blood. When they fight them, they throw them in the river. He did it in the name of he was fighting Igbo. He forget that he's an Igbo man. Forget about whatever they're dealing. When Jungle mature, they would want us to be with them, so with their Igbos. Now, his job now is to demolish Igbo's property. And you guys should not forget, before he was appointed to be the FCT minister, I said it, if you can remember. It's in my video on my channel. I said that the way things are going, Wike is going to be made, the one I'm hearing, what I'm hearing, he may be made the FCT minister. And if that happens, we should be very careful of their properties in Abuja. It's in my channel, go and watch it. After 4 or 5 days, he was appointed the FCT, after I made that video. And when he was appointed, that thing I said has started. So why I'm making this video now, Igbo, the solution is not saying it's enough, we will do it. If you like, shout from here till tomorrow, wonderful people. Wike will do what he wants to do because nobody will speak for us. Our so-called politicians are compromised. After when he did at Obibo, what was the end result? Our own politician went to him and they were singing, Wike, 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 Kaigeso, Money, JJ, Mona, Lala, Wike, Kaigeso. Umahe went for that journey. Most of the Igbo politicians, I'm not respecting for the APC extraction, they joined hands, went and paid him solidarity because he was coming to contest for presidency in PDP primary. And they will say, Wike Kageso. After he just spied more than 300 Igbos in Obibo, they went and sang for him, clap for him, say, Wike Kageso. And he was bragging. They said, I kill people. I buy people. What will happen? Innocent souls. Nobody will speak. We can't have to do anything. But I want to tell Wike, one day is one day. Judgment will start. Somebody will say, how will start hearing judgment? Well, who knows that Yaya Bello, they go shake and the way they shake and now. Who knows that Abacha will be engraved by now? Who knows that Okwemado will stay where he is today? One day will be his own turn. Whatever anyone so you have gotten a very wonderful contract, but the God of the Igbo will fight you one day. The way he's going to fight, I don't know, but it will really happen. It will happen. It's what I know that does happen. I'm not trying to threaten you. It's what I know that happens. That whenever somebody is against a people that didn't do you anything, Nemesis will catch up with you, Wike. Then on the other side, we the Igbos, we should be very careful. We should be very careful. I've been saying it. They are against us. That's why I started this movie, Igbo, Kairutolo. We should start preparing. All of you watch the video, what is happening in Dubai. But before I talk more on the incident of Dubai, permit me to take a very break, a breather. When I come back, I will disclose and share with you what is happening in Dubai, and I will call it a day. You know, my normal way, I don't like my video to be too long. Let me take a glass of water. I'll come back to finish that. As I was saying, Igbo, what do we do in the midst of all the threat that is ongoing? Let us build our home. Dubai now is not nobody. So many Nigerians have their properties in Dubai. Atiko is one of them. There are too many of them. Almost of our politicians. That is Nigerian money. That is where they buried their money in Dubai. But it's all the catastrophe that happened. The rain, swallowing houses. In Switzerland and some other countries, you see how the earthquake is eating up things. Though the prediction that earthquake is also going to hit Dubai. I don't know when. Things will go down. Now, the same people who predicted about this thing that is happening in Dubai now are predicted about earthquake, and earthquake that happened, they have predicted that by 2030 to 2035, Lagos will be submerged with water. I repeat, from 2030 to start coming, 2035 because of what? By 2050, the whole Lagos, almost all the whole Lagos, will be covered with water. If you have never heard about it, hear it from me. I made a video about it. It was predicted by the scientists, neurologists. It is there. Now, but unfortunately, some people don't run until when they have seen danger behind them, close to them. Please, can you double tap the screen? I don't think, I'm surprised we have about 12 people watching me. I have not reached up to 1,000 likes. What is going on? Please double tap if you are watching, please. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you for double tapping. If you talk, when you keep liking, these guys will be recommending for others to watch. If you're watching on YouTube, before you go, if you don't want to continue, why not like this? Share the video. Share the video. We are teaching us some information. So the neurologists have predicted by 2030, 2035, it will be so severe. By 2050, Lagos will be submerged with water because it's built on water. That's why when I watch our Igbo brothers, you see them covering canals, covering rivers, covering so many people to build houses, all in the name of I have a house in Lagos. The amount you're using, like filling up the more areas. Only the filling alone, that amount is enough to erect structures back home. But when you ask them, they say they're not going to make gain like Lagos. But they forgot they are the same people who made the Lagos what it is. That thing they did in Lagos can also be replicated in Imo, Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi, Abia State. We can, even Delta State, Anyama to be precise, because they are part of our brothers. You can replicate those things there. That is what I stand for. Time will come. And the prophecy about how Ebola will develop has been ringed. Even non-Igbos have seen it already, and they're prophesying about it. We are waking up. For us to come up with this vision, say Igbo Rutola, many people bought into it. Today, we are registered in the United States with account number open. We are registered in Europe. The process is ongoing to register in Europe. Asia will soon start their own. I will soon start meeting with them. All for us to sensitize our people. Let's go and prepare our home. Staying abroad is so worrisome. My dear brothers and sisters, I talk to you now. Sometimes I'm finishing program, I'm rushing to my job. There was the time I went, they just got me fired. I work, whether you're a priest or not, because yeah, nobody is ready to give you tithe. Even if people are ready to give, I don't believe in using tithe and offering to survive. I do my work. I work because you that I'm going to ask offering, I could be even the one to give you. You that work hard for it, do you have double head? So why would I work and make my own money? Why would I depend on your own when you make? I'll say bring the tithe. Am I thief? Tithe is something that is sitting there. If you believe in it, follow it the way you want to follow it. So I'm not depending on anybody for my money. I'm dependent on God that gives me strength and go and work it out. So sometimes they messed us up here. They fire us. I just got fired 3 days ago. Is it what I will continue to be suffering every year as an Igbo man with all the creativity I have? Let me make the home to be a better place. Stay in my mansion, visit here, and I will stay sleeping. Something my money is yielding out. That's why we are establishing all these business. Buy into the shares of these businesses. Like for instance, we have started the cassava processing shares. We have our share there, which is under approval. You buy into that share. As long as that business is running, you can never go wrong in cassava, in eating agriculture. Let me tell you, some of you know it. I watched a video. You can go and watch it in Lucky Idu chapter page. Lucky Idu interviewed a guy who made not less than 30 million naira in a month. He said in a day he makes 4 million a day. Sometimes 3, 4, 5 million. How do you make it? One pig is sold at 280,000 naira. He said sometimes he will sell 10, 12, 15. as the case may be. And he started that business with 200,000 naira. I was watching David and said, wow. He said he started piggery with 200,000. He had tried so many agricultural products, but when he started piggery with 200,000, today he makes 30 million every month. The guy is a multi-millionaire, young boy. And some of us are abroad here, clocking in, clocking out. We have been woken up by alarm. Go and check BP. BP too high because no, I don't get much sleep. Somebody say, how I will continue this way until I get to my grave. The lie. I must do my best to put some structures on ground that when they started yielding money, I'll be sleeping. My money is dropping to my account. That is what we are doing now. So I'm not going to wait for government to give me enabling environment to do that. I can make it happen as much as I can. That's why I call on my brothers. They are joining my hand. We are moving forward. As many who are willing, you join, you will move. So Wike should continue his demolition. The water will continue to come and eat up Lagos. Igbo, I mentioned alone. God gave us a very good land, very nice place. We shouldn't keep quiet and watch these people coming to maltreat us. I think I'm done for the day. I don't know if anybody has any contribution. As I said, if you want to join Igbo rule, please call or send the WhatsApp to this number on your screen. No TikTok family, no verse. I'm not going to call number because they don't like us to call number TikTok. If you want to join Igbo rule, WhatsApp this number. Send your message to that number. If you call, it doesn't go through or it's ringing, they don't answer. Just drop a message, please. I'm so person on WhatsApp. I want to join Igbo rule. They will respond to you within the short possible time. I repeat, if you are interested in joining Igbo rule, this number that ended with 5566. That started with 070. Okay, 0706 405 5566. So you just chat up that number on WhatsApp. You'll be able to join the Borolo. So Wike, congratulations for your new fund contract. And what is the contract? The demolition league when we get money. But Wike Ganti, Chineke ndi will go. The God of Igbos will fight you. Somebody say yes, it doesn't work. I will be praying that prayer. It doesn't work. It doesn't work, but it works. The ability is working on him. That time maybe if he has stepped on somebody to somebody say, you know, God will do this, you know the work. Where is the grandma today? I'm not laughing at him, God forbid. But I'm only giving as an instant. He has all the power, the money. But it's somewhere good enough now. You are not above them. You are not above the grandmother. You are not above other people that God visited in their own way. The evil that men do will believe, follow them. The evil you do will follow you. It's just with time. Now you're falling in favor with the Nigerian government. They are compensating you, giving you appointment when you betray your people in PDP, and they don't care. Don't worry yourself. Anything has a time. Whatever has a time. So I wish you all the best weekend. I wish you continue to your good work of demolition Igbo people investment. But I want to also let you know, nothing will you be able to succeed in trying to bring Igbo down. You can only scratch us. It is God that is doing it, not us. You can't cause whom God has blessed. Neither will you bless whom God has caused. God has blessed us, giving us the knowledge and the talent. You can't take it away from us. If you like fight Igbo tomorrow, you go fit take up. Thank you, wonderful family. I love you guys. I want to stop on my YouTube and Facebook, and I want to have a discussion on those who are willing to discuss with me. I'm switching to another topic on TikTok only. If I have people that will join me, let's discuss. See you again. I remain Joe Vika, just broadcasted from Joe Vika TV. Love you guys, and see you in my next program.
Yeah. Enjoy Vika TV in all social media platforms, Facebook and Twitter, YouTube and Insta Anchor. Truth must be told, Sogi Brodibia or Pastor, or qua television with the truth is what you ask for. This is Joe Vika Television. Joe Vika Television, poised to reach you with the truth.
So guys, see you again.